Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing MainStay Suites Detroit Auburn Hills. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, free parking, fitness center and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Located 2 miles from events and sports at the Palace of Auburn Hills, this apartment-style hotel features free Wi-Fi throughout the property and offers guests a complimentary daily breakfast buffet. Suites are equipped with a kitchenette or full kitchen. Cable TV is included in every suite at MainStay Suites Detroit Auburn Hills. Guests can make use of the provided ironing facilities and work desk. A convenience store is located on site at MainStay Suites Detroit Auburn Hills. A fitness center, business center, and launderette facilities are also provided to guests. Moments from Interstate 75, this hotel is 11 miles from Oakland County International Airport. Shopping at Great Lakes Crossing outlets is 7 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.